Again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Is amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. Anyway, it's no juice today. It's just simply talking about celebrating my birthday. It was lovely, it was nice taking out the time to say thank you so much, guys, for supporting me on my birthday. It couldn't be a better one more than this one. So I'm just taking the time to say thank you so much, and it was a blessing. And you know what I mean, I enjoyed myself. It was great, and honestly I have a wonderful time. Nice food and nice atmosphere, so it's just lovely. And I'm taking the time to say thank you so much, guys, for you leaving your comments on my Instagram, my Facebook, my Google Plus, who follow me on all of these social network, guys. So today I just want to take the time to say thank you so much, and that's the best thing I could give you, to say thank you, all of you guys. I love you all, and it was a blessing. It was a great time, and hopefully next year will be even better, by if God, you know what I mean, as I say, as the life goes on, let's see better, best, better will be coming. Anyway, a lot of people keep asking me about this garlic crusher. The garlic crusher will be in the description box. Please click on the link, go where you can get it to buy it, and it comes straight to you in first class. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team. So follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Google Plus me, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.